You all must be aware about the recent India-China standoff in Ladakh. Both the countries' army came face to face after their Doklam face-off, and tensions elevated to a level when both the armies prepared for an armed conflict. But Indians were not only prepared for a conflict involving ammunition, but also to hurt the enemy economically, and the man who lead #boycott Chinese product movement was none other than innovator and reformer Mr. Sonam Wangchuk.
We all love this movie 3 Idiots, and I hope everyone must have watched it. And if not, well, you have definitely come out of Stone Age. Apart from that, the character played by Amir Khan, that is Dr. Phunsukh Wangru, was inspired by Sonam sir only. The school shown in the movie was SECMOL, that is Students' Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh, and Mr. Wangchuk is the founding director of this institute, which aims to spread education amongst Ladakhis but with a different touch.
Sonam Wangchuk's every work is dedicated towards bringing a reform which can change people's lives and their perspectives towards development. He has always advocated for more research-related education and principle of sustainable development.
Talking about his education, Wangchuk sir wasn't able to get formal education till the age of 9 in Ladakh. At the age of 9, he went to Srinagar, where due to language barrier, he wasn't able to get his education properly, and finally in 1977, he shifted to Delhi. No wonder why he undertook the mammoth task of reforming education system, because he has faced all the adversities and wants to make lives of upcoming generations better one.
Later, against the wish of his father, he pursued mechanical engineering from NIT Srinagar, and in 2011 he went to France to study earthen architecture from Créteil School of Architecture in order to give his best and creative inputs to his inputs ranging from the SECMOL campus to ice stupas. SECMOL has been mentioned more than once in this video, and by now you must be wondering what's so different about this vicinity when compared to other buildings. So let's know about this.
In Ladakh, where there's hardly any day when the localities don't encounter low temperatures, it's one of the biggest tasks to keep your building or complex warm, so that the individuals can focus on their stuff without catching any sort of illness. SECMOL's campus is one of the best innovations of Sonam Wangchuk sir and his team.
Let us come to the scientific aspect of SECMOL. Its building uses a technology known as passive solar heating, in which buildings are heated without emission of CO2 or by combustion of any other type of fuel. This design absorbs heat from the sun and then stores it as long as possible. And by using this sustainable technology, SECMOLs are running smoothly from last 15 years, even when the outside temperature fall down to minus 25 degrees Celsius.
Let's have a look at some interesting figures about building's temperature. Normal evening temperature in the coldest part of winter is 14 degrees Celsius. Minimum in a normal winter is 10 degrees Celsius, and minimum observed in 19 years is 7 degrees Celsius. We all know during winters most of our favorite plants dry up. In SECMOL's main campus, the stairwells have houseplants flourishing even in January.
Climate change has impacted the glaciers in the region of Ladakh and has also led to scarcity of water, which is obviously hurting farmers' crop growth and the income from it. Thus, this situation required a solution as soon as possible, and in 2015, finally, Sonam sir came up with a solution. And this solution is really exciting, that how he used basic science. So let's see about this.
In 2015, Wangchuk sir built a 64 feet, yes, 64 feet ice stupa, an artificial glacier made by piping mountain streams into a Ladakhi village. Its design is meant to stay frozen until the spring sun warms the field. After the success of this project, he went on to build similar stupas in Europe in the regions of Swiss Alps.
Innovations and ventures like these earned him a Ramon Magsaysay Award 2018 and many more accolades. He never worked for these accolades, instead he worked for people's prosperity, and these are like just the recognition of his work. He always says, 21वीं सदी देश के लिए जान देने की नहीं जिंदगी देने की जरूरत है. I hope all of you must have understood what does he want to explain.
So here, along with my fellow mates, we rest our case on India's one of the best minds, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. We'll be back next Friday with one more video like this. Till then, like this video and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and more exciting videos. Karmi Yogis signing out.